start. Before the High Court, the appellant urged the following three questions for its consideration. Stop. Has the competent authority failed to consider the reply submitted by the petitioner to the two show cause notices? Stop. Is the order violative of the principles of natural justice? Stop. Is the order vitiated by the malafides of respondent number 4? Stop. After considering the arguments addressed on behalf of the appellant in regard to the first contention raised before the High Court, the High Court noticed that the authority which inquired into the charges has taken into consideration the entire material that was placed before the said authority and had also recorded the evidence, and it is only after such thorough consideration of the material placed before the said authority and the pleas raised before it, the inquiring authority recorded its findings. Stop. Para. The High Court, with reference to the first charge, agreed with the inquiring authority that there was nothing on record to indicate that the situation on the date of the relevant meeting did call for the exercise of power vested in the chairman under by law 15 even remotely. Stop. Accordingly, it rejected the challenge of the appellant with reference to the finding on charge number 1 of which the appellant was found guilty. Stop. With regard to the second contention, with violation of principles of natural justice, the High Court noted that the appellant had been granted a personal hearing apart from giving an opportunity of filing written submissions. Stop. From the material on record, the High Court also came to the conclusion that the appellant had been heard at length personally and through his counsel. Stop. Para. Hence, the complaint of the appellant that there was failure of principles of natural justice was also negatived by the High Court. Stop. With reference to the ground of attack based on malafides, the High Court noticed the fact that respondent number 4 had filed an affidavit specifically denying the same. Stop. The High Court preferred to accept the version of the fourth respondent as against the ground of challenge in the writ petition and held that it is not possible to come to the conclusion that the impugned order was in any manner influenced by the alleged malice entertained by respondent number 4 against the appellant. Stop. Before us, similar points have been urged as was done before the High Court. Stop. It was contended on behalf of the appellant that the finding of the inquiry officer was based on no material and